Boom! Best liquid foundation I think I've ever tried. Amazing. Hey everyone, okay, so brand new liquid foundation has just launched and it's like nothing you've ever seen. And it's not sponsored, not at all. Now RCMA is legendary. Professional makeup artists have used and trusted their products for years, yet it gets zero attention compared to other brands. Why? Because people keep it to themselves. Yeah, I know. Now this is a brand new liquid foundation. Now they're known for their creams, but this is a liquid. But don't let that fool you because the coverage is extraordinary. This is proper full coverage. Now it's incredibly pigmented, so you need a tiny amount, really tiny amount. Start with less because then you can always add more if you need it. Now this can cover the appearance of rosacea, port wine birthmarks, acne, redness, even the discoloration associated with eczema. This can cover a tattoo and look incredibly natural. It's amazing. Now obviously makeup isn't going to treat any of those things, right? But if you want to conceal them, the coverage is absolutely there. Now the trick is to not apply a really thick layer over the entire face. Start with a small amount and blend it into the skin with a brush. You can use a sponge if you want. Then allow that thin layer to settle before you add any more. You want a targeted approach when it comes to a full coverage foundation because you still want it to look like skin. So apply it only where needed. Now the finish is really beautiful. It has a natural matte finish, but it doesn't look dry or flat or ugly. It just looks like, well, perfected skin. I'm wearing the full coverage version right here. But the reason that I love this is because of the versatility. Yes, you can get serious professional level coverage, which is great, but you don't have to. If you mix a tiny bit of moisturizer or primer, it becomes a gorgeous lightweight skin tint. It's incredible, but it still has enough pigment to even out the complexion, but the coverage becomes softer and sheerer. Or if you've got dry skin and you prefer a little luminosity, mix it with a drop or two of facial oil and this will sheer it out further and give you a beautiful glow to the skin. So you've got one foundation that can take you from barely there skin tint all the way to complete tattoo coverage. It is incredible. Now it comes in 48 shades. Yeah, that's a lot. Divided into golden, neutral, rosy, you get the gist. Don't worry, RCMA are lovely people. Just reach out, they'll help you find a shade. Honestly, I cannot say enough good things about this foundation. The coverage is phenomenal. The finish is natural for a full coverage foundation like this. And you can completely customize it depending on your skin that day. RCMA, they are legendary people, kind, legendary people. If you haven't already tried it, link in the description bar, give it a go. It is amazing. I'm not affiliated. Boom. Best liquid foundation I think I've ever tried. Amazing. See you next time. Bye-bye.